Okay, so the 5 guidelines, they're right here. And again, I think this rhymes exactly with the rest of what I've said. Choose your use cases to enable rapid value and scale. Yeah, I mean, okay, I guess this is Anne and Santosh talking. Okay. Um, all right. So that's number one. Advanced Gen AI and data at the same time. This goes along with governance. I mean, you want your Gen AI to work, but then you need to think about whether the data you're putting in is good, right? And this is actually, I really don't think that we're going to lose jobs from this because there's so much work that goes into this. It's not that we can put a bot in somebody's seat. It just doesn't work that way. Your workers are going to work harder and do a hell of a lot more. And that's what we see happening. It's the same as the old digital transformation story. Everybody thought when we had digital transformation, things would go digital, people would lose their jobs. It's the same story. You need more people to run the stuff, but it runs better when it finally works. Okay, so there's that. So again, we're rebuilding our data systems. We're building our data lakes. We've got our data architects. We're building in data checks and controls. There's a ton of work to be done to make this stuff sing. Upskill and reinvent how you work. Okay, so again, there is a phase, right? First, we're doing low hanging fruit, but there's a phase when we're going to have to change everything. And your people who are, who are doing jobs that may have gone away are going to need to learn new jobs because there's going to be a lot of need for the maintenance and production of these things. Accelerate AI initiatives with responsible AI. Again, there's nothing worse than for morale and for the company bottom line, and to get sued or to have a really bad PR case. If we're responsible or we can prove that we're being responsible, that goes a long way. And again, ethics comes back into play, right? I felt like for a while ethics was out of style. There's my commentary, but it doesn't seem like that's something that can last forever. And I'll say right now that it looks like it's back. Um, all right, future proof your AI with an open architecture. Um, so there's the last point. You got to think about, what am I buying into? Am I buying into a package that's like an Oracle package that that I can't ever get out of? And that's open architecture will allow that. So that's one way out of lock-in, vendor lock-in.